Hi everybody, Carl here. I'm back in the lab, thank goodness. And what I'm doing, several things. I don't have a project yet per se. I kind of wanted to show you kind of where I wanted to go next. One of the things I want to do is I want to start going through all my test equipment and kind of make sure that everything's running right. Maybe take a second look inside, double check the capacitors, look at the tubes one more time. I'll give you, this is a great example of what I'm talking about. Okay, hold on, let me grab you here. Okay, this is my very old Decade box, right? It's for resistors. And it's pretty cool. I don't know if we can get dialed in here or not. Let me see if I can change the... Okay, it should be close up, so you can see it's got the old-time dials. It's really neat. I got this, oh my goodness, back in the late 80s, okay? And it used to work okay. There were some adjustments we had to make, but overall it worked. Well, right now I've got X, 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 0. So it should be 0, right? Or, you know, I'm plugged in and I'm getting 111K on my meter. So something's screwy-looey, right? So I'm going to have to go over that. That's, you know, because I really like this thing, for one thing. It works great. Anytime you guys have had Decade boxes for resistance or captance, you know that, man, they really come in handy. And I've got a captance Decade box that I built a while back from a kit that I got, maybe I'm going to say Amazon. But anyway, there's that. Now, also my vacuum tube voltage meter. It's been working pretty good. Haven't had real problems with it. I need to, I've got to plug around. This is for the DC down here. And I need to get something together for that. I got stuff around here. Matter of fact, I was working on it one time. So anyway, that's that. I want to go through this. I already had it open. It looked good, but I need to really check it out. Same way with my, there's my signal generator. I got the other one, and you can't see it. Oh, yeah, there you go. You know, got that. There's my tracer, and that works. It needs to be dialed in. There's my my Heathkit condenser checker. It also does ohms too. Okay. And now one other thing that I want to do, let me swing you back around here. Maybe you remember a while back we were talking about doing some sweep generator stuff. Yeah. And I've got my Sylvania here that needs some work too. There's another one that needs work, believe me. But I think we can get that running and get that working. And now that one will cover for FM and TV and the one that sweep generators normally do. I've been watching Jim Linguist for quite a while, and he could drive you crazy sometimes. But one of the things that he has a sweep generator that will actually sweep down in the AM bands. And I always thought how great that would be to be able to do that on the AM radios and stuff. So I did something I don't do anymore because I don't have the money to do this. But I went on eBay and I was looking around and I found a really good deal on a BK 3017A. It's supposed to be working. We'll see. I got it under $40 including shipping. So, and that one it runs the lower frequencies. It goes from like 1 hertz up to 1 meg. And then it's got a sweep area too. So it does actually a lot of stuff. They're really good meters. And I mean, I've seen them go. People try to sell them for a couple $100, which that's a greedy stuff, you know. But this one, like I said, was under $40 including shipping, and so I did it. And that should be here, like I think, in about a week. So, you know, in my scope is a 1477. It's a BK. This is a B. You know, this income is a BK. Hopefully they'll work together. Wouldn't that be nice? So I'm definitely going to get into the sweep generator stuff because I just want to do it. And I think it'd be fun, and you know, if I can learn how to do it really well, then I will share it. So, because you know, if you try to find stuff on sweep generators, like Bob Anderson, he does some on his, and you can watch him do it. Shango does some on his, and they're good to follow in that. And I've learned from all of them. But it's still hard to if you don't have the equipment they have, it's hard to try to duplicate it with yours. And I've had a real hard time with the Sylvania. So I'm going to try it with the Sylvania. I'm going to keep working on that. And then I'm going to try it with this new one. So I think it'll be fun. I know it's going to be fun for me, and hopefully it'll be fun for you if you follow along. And like I said, maybe we'll dig into this sweep generator stuff a little bit better. But I mean, that's the basics of what I wanted to cover. I'm going to be going over some of my equipment, make sure everything's right, accurate, things are where they're supposed to be. And then I'm going to start working on this sweep generator stuff. And I think it'll be fun. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on this. And until next time, which hopefully is pretty soon, I'll see you on the next video. Take care of everybody, and goodbye.